Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this September the 8th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics pretty much. We're going to be talking about potential tropical cyclone 6 that I said last night should become something. Should become Francine. Probably later tonight or either on Monday. Also, we got two more tropical waves. We're going to be talking about that. This is right now we're talking about potential tropical cyclone 6. Sorry about the satellite imagery. The imagery is messing up, but you can see what you can see here. This is the southern Bay of Campeche. On the western side of the system, you can see it's starting to get well defined. As soon as it gets a little bit better defined, it will become Tropical Storm Francine. Alright, let's move on to the forecast job. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and finish get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here's the 4 p.m. advisory, Central Daylight Time. Here's the tropical storm force wind field. Should remain a tropical storm. Should be, like I said, tonight or Monday. Head parallel to the Mexico coast, parallel to the Texas coast. Looks like it's going to make landfall right along the Louisiana Texas border as a hurricane, maybe a category 1, maybe with a category 2, and then track on off to the north and east through Louisiana, back up into portions of Missouri, and then maybe over towards Illinois. But anyway, it could shift a little bit further to the east. This cone could. The center of the storm could track this way here across Mississippi, Alabama, maybe into Tennessee, Kentucky over here. If it moves a little bit further this way, portions of Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, since you'll be on the east side of the system, could get a little bit of some tornado spin-ups if that occurs. But anyway, if it keeps its current path, as you can see, pretty much anybody on the east side through Louisiana up toward Kentucky and Indiana, on the right side of the system, we could have a threat of tornadoes along that path. So, like I said, if the track shifts further to the east, the threat of tornadoes will shift eastward. But the current track right now, that would put the tornadoes from Louisiana up toward Indiana and Illinois region through Kentucky, Tennessee, portion of Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana as well. So we monitor the situation, and I'll have more during the week as the week progresses. Alright, if you're tracking the system at home, it's located in latitude 21.6 north, longitude 94.6 west. Maximum sustained winds are near 50 miles an hour with higher gusts, moving to the northwest at 5 miles per hour. Right now, it is classified potential tropical cyclone. To the forecast cone, well, we're gonna have to use a different kind because the spaghetti, well, the intensity guidance they ain't got it ready yet. But let's take a look at the GFS here. Alright, here's pretty much the track of the storm. The black line here would be the center of the storm. Pretty much they got it just a little bit east than the center of the cone, because you remember the hurricane model, the cone had the hurricanes located about right along the Texas Louisiana border. The GFS model takes a little bit further to the east, and a lot of models is starting to shift a little bit further east. That's why I said I would not be surprised to see that cone maybe shift a little bit further back to the east over the coming days. So we'll continue to update you on that and see what happens. Alright, let's move on to Invest 92. to L. Yeah, and that system is getting better organized. What I've seen as well. So this may be the next named storm. I think it's Gordon. I think Gordon will be the next named storm on the list. So if it gets a G name, I think it's Gordon. But anyway, here's the center of the storm. Kind of moves off, drifts off to the north and east a little bit, and then it turns back to the west. Here's the northern Leeward Island, but this, if it gets strong enough, it will turn out to sea. Let's take a look at the intensity guidance. Some of the computer models trying to take it up to a category 2, maybe even a 3. One shoots it up to a 3. Pretty much a lot of them do take it into a tropical storm and up into a hurricane 1, maybe even a 2. And like I said, one even shoots it up into a category 3. So the stronger that system is, the more it'll curve out to the north and east. The weaker the system is, the further west it will go. So something we'll have to keep an eye on and just see what happens later on down the road. So stay with me and I'll have more as the week progresses. Alright, let's take a look at the current watches warning advisory map. Shouldn't be too much on the board here. We got frost advisories up here proportionate to Virginia and also West Virginia. There's those tropical storm warnings in the Gulf of Mexico. We have red flag warnings pretty much for areas of Washington, Oregon State, Montana, also in Wyoming. Fire weather watches there as well, also for portions of you guys in Wyoming, Montana, and Nevada. Excessive heat warning for Southern California, red flag warning for Western Nevada. I forgot to add to you guys as well. Air quality alert for Oregon State, Idaho, and portions of Montana. Alright, we still have those gale warnings for portions of the Maine coast, also for the South Carolina coast too, North Carolina coast, also along the coastal water from Louisiana to Texas, then again from California up to Oregon State. Hawaii and Chain Island, you look good, and also some around the Alaska region as well. Alright, here's the map here, the tropics. We can see a little bit better. There's that system, Tropical Cyclone 6 in the Gulf of Mexico. This is at 8 p.m. Over the next 2 days, the system has a 60% chance of development. And I think, let's see, has a 70% over the next 7 days. And then the other one has a 0% and a 50% chance of development here in the orange. So get ready, folks. We're fixing to go into a busy period once again with a few more storms. I think it'll shut down again, and then it'll start getting back active again. Probably should be toward late September, maybe into October, and then after that it'll start winding down. So get ready, folks. Let's see how the remainder of the hurricane, part 2 of hurricane season, rolls here. Alright, now let's take a look at the WPC 7-day rainfall totals. As you can see here, that model sniffing out the heavy precipitation in the Gulf of Mexico through Texas, Louisiana, also into portions of Alabama, Mississippi, take some up into the Ohio Valley, right across the southeastern United States. Maybe anywhere from a quarter to maybe 2 inches of rain possible across portions of the southeast, and then more heavy precipitation from Florida all the way out into the Atlantic coastal water. Heavy precipitation up in Montana and also in the portions of Canada. Elsewhere, lighter amounts to no precipitation expected. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care.